escort the bowlers out. I'll escort them out. I'll give them a minute here. So, all right, Mr. Fetchard, you ready? Yep. Take it away. Good luck, bowlers. We'll escort you out here, and we'll see you at Cadillac Lane.
Good luck. Good luck. There you go. Hey, thanks for coming.